natin mo 8 minutes muna, tapos sa kabili. Kasi nagyan ng
You have to eat it.
Di, okay naman yan.
Yan.
You have to eat it when it's cold.
Nag-explain ako. Nakalive pala yan.
You have to eat it when it's hot. It's cold. What is that?
Ade.
Ira.
You're the first, madam.
It will come out. Come.
What?
No, no, no. Wait.
Ayan.
Mm-hmm.
Hindi siya, oo, hilaw pa ka. Hindi pa. Kaya lang sunog na yung ano,
Hindi, kasi apaw.
Apaw na apaw.
Because,
Yan.
oops.
Apaw na apaw kasi.
Yung may sandok.
Ati, Adi, wala akong
Sige, tila.
Alam ko na yung paano.
Ate, dali ko sa akin.
I don't know.
Hindi, wala kang bangko.
Put it down anyway.
Oh, ikaw muna, sir.
Because it's very difficult.
Yes. Nalagyan ba yung ilalim, yung ibabaw ng ano, mint eh?
May nag-comment yung ano.
Babaw.
Get na.
Madam, salad.
It's nice.
Nice.
Tastes good, yeah.
Money for me.
It's good the taste.
You have to eat it when it's cold.
Hindi mo naman ito yung sala niya, hindi yung
Ano yan?
kahit.
Jelly.
Ah,
And another thing, I mean, you put too much macaroni. That's why we became like this.
Because you eat until tomorrow.
I know. At least it was small.
okay lang.
Busog ko muna.
Ano muna niya yung sweet niya bago. Ano na, no? Wapak natin dito. Happy New Year!
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
Ano lasa?
Okay na?
Tama lang yung lasa niya.
Hindi malalat na.
Yes.
Kaya akala ko, nilagyan natin chisita, yung mozzarella.
Yung nag-milk tea.
Ah, you put mozzarella?
No, this is the one you bought.
No.
I think,
Kaya din nag-milk tea.
sabi ko pa naman kanina.
Mozzarella, you put on lasagna.
Hanari cheese.
Kain tayo.
Sarap ng ano niya, tayo mo.
Salada, salada.
Tatago ka. Kalive yan.
Kalit pa lang.
Hari ka din eh.
Ano na kalabing?
Saan ka nakalive eh?
Live lang. Hindi yan naka-live. Ano lang yan.
Ah, di ba? Wala ko kalive eh.
Kasi upload ko. Ah.
Nasabihin nila, alam, malaki ng subo nila.
Yung sila. Ako kumukulit talaga dito sana.
Kung galing-galing gumawa. Pati magluto.
Yung amo niya, ako tayo. May ano yun, may website yun, yung amo niya.
Magaling ng ano. Tsaka
Sa mga best.
Kaya lang hot.
Eh, alam mo, ang nakikita ko sa ano ko, parang may dinaramdam na naman.
Huwag ka lang pangalan.
O hindi.
Yung pala yun, tsaka yung amo ko.
Ay, oo, talaga sakit ko na.
Maybe the meat it wasn't enough.
This one?
The meat.
The meat.
Ay, dami.
It was little.
Not enough because one kilo.
Huh?
Makaroni too much.
Yeah. It's okay.
Ate Ivy, you told me. This one,
Hindi
enough
naman
1
nakita
kilo.
yung ano.
I said too much. No, no, no.
Yeah, the macaroni was too much.
It's okay. The sauce is good also.
Saka maganda yung
How
ano.
many cup sauce? 3, 4?
No. I buy ready-made sauce.
The white. Cream.
Cream sauce.
Yeah, how much?
Saan yung binili?
Saan yun?
Super discount.
Ah, super discount na pala.
I didn't count. I put all.
Oh, the dog. Oh. And it's about 3, 4 cups.
Maybe 3 cups.
More than 3 cups eh.
Ayan.
You put it inside?
What?
You put egg?
No.
No, no need.
You put? When you cook? When you cook, you put?
No. I do different with regular milk and flour and butter. And you put eggs.
I put butter under. Not to stick.
Pinahiya ah. Nasusunod yung ano ang bilhin natin. Yung mozzarella. Cheese.
Mozzarella cheese.
Sarap yun.
Para mag-melt it sa
Sa ibabaw.
Saka natin, ay, yung ganda din.
I said, next time I said you want mozzarella cheese, you want to put in the top.
No, but you do mozzarella. I said one you do lasagna. No, no.
Lasagna.
Lasagna.
But you do it with tomato sauce. Lasagna they make with tomato, not with bechamel. And you put layers of layers, not like this. You buy lasagna flat.
I put the mixed meat in the middle.
Ah, the meat? Or the chopped meat, with the fried meat. Yeah. It's like you make macaroni with puro pasticho.
Yung gamit nila din yung isang klase na makapanunod. Yung sa pasticho nila na yan, di ba?
Yung noodles na mahaba. Yun ang hinahanap ko.
And they make sumo.
Yung malapad.
That's on New York.
Yung
Right?
matatas na
employee.
ganito mahaba.
Ano
Parang
yun?
ganito malaki.
So what else?
What else daw?
On your
She bake some potatoes, that one, and more salad. Different kind of salad.
that's it.
Yeah.
And then you make macaroni.
Macaroni, no. She cannot do macaroni.
A lot of people.
Only family.
Bili nga ako nito.
The daughter and the son.
Maliit lang din.
How many children? How many children they have?
4.
Ang ganda na. Nanunod ko na.
No relative.
Only family.
Hindi na sarap pa si Ate Ani. Ha? Hindi ka nasarapan.
Yeah, you one relative of hers.
Sarapan ako, tingnan ko ulit ako.
She lives near where
Tapos ang dami.
your previous employer. Your name is
Malaki
Ellie.
na kira mamaya. Di ba kira?
You know her?
Ellie? Yeah,
Hindi na
I know.
namin.
Ellie.
Your husband is Abula. Her brother is a sister.
Yeah, I know.
He died in Canada.
The house before Ma'am Elipteria,
Yeah.
on the
Other side.
yeah, on the
Ang
front only,
dami
the
namin
other
ano.
room.
Sana din.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi pala
I know.
Opposite the house.
Huh?
Opposite the house.
Oo,
Employee.
yung dati.
Yeah. That's here.
May katulong na yan.
Doon na yung Indiana.
Ah.
I know Ellie very well. Her husband and Michael was in the same club.
Okay.
He was sick.
The husband of Madam Ellie.
Yeah. He was very sick. Very sick.
Nice people, madam. Madam
Yeah,
Maricel.
I know them. Yeah,
Ah, you know that?
yeah, I know them very well.
Kaya okay lang ito?
And
Dalawa. Madam, salad.
Madam Leah doesn't like. You want din?
oh no,
I know.
I don't drink this. I brought this.
Gusto mo ice? May ice doon.
Hindi, ito lang. Malamig na, di ba? Malamig na. Malamig naman ito. Punta kami sa unahan, kala ko may grocery pa. Balik na kami. Ganun lang pala. Kataya pa sana kami ng grocery.
Tatay, sama kami ng loto eh.
Wala na kayong sino?
Ah.
Ano na, nanagad yung ice natin.
Now, what is your Joyce?
Ano?
What is Joyce?
Go home. She want to report you the card. Because the card have inside 400 euro.
Ah, the card they stole it. She didn't have money.
Together. She have money cash, she have card inside,
Okay.
in wallet,
How much money has the cash?
400.
Oh,
In
Ah, hindi.
Ay,
800.
kaya ko itang.
400 again in ATM card.
and I don't, they cannot do
Ah,
it.
ATM.
kaya nag-800.
Pero
They cannot take any money from that. You don't take that. She was inside the chair when they
sana
came.
yung nakakuha nun. Iwan na
He
lang
doesn't
po
know
yung
the
kasi.
store, maybe, I don't know what's wrong.
Pero password nun.
Did she bring it to her? Did
He
what-
break
Bakit
that
yun?
one.
You
He
saw
said,
it?
Ay,
he
ATM
said,
card pala
you
yun.
have change. I said, I don't have change. You
One
want
second.
5 euro.
One second. It was 100% that she had the wallet with her. Because she got the
Yes,
phone.
because she asked me to change the money. She said to me, can you change my money because I want to give donation.
Yeah.
Char.
And she didn't find the wallet in her. Pocketbook.
Then I give my money.
She didn't know where she put the...
Now I don't know where she
Bakit kayo?
put.
Bakit kayo? Ubus na.
When she going out, she's looking her
Maybe
wallet.
she left it home.
No.
She knew 100% the wallet it was inside.
Yeah, because she can go to the church. That's why she get her money in her wallet and give the donation in the church. That's why she didn't know the wallet where she put. Then after that, when after the church, she find her wallet. It's not in the bag. So maybe in the church, she left the. She didn't
Maybe
know where.
take the other people like that.
Inside the chair, they steal money.
Yeah.
Well, maybe she pulled down and said, maybe she cannot put in the bag. I don't know.
I know, but if somebody in the chair find it,
Mga ano pa naman ang katabi na
he
doon.
will say, who lost their wallet?
And
So him.
The,
No,
pe-
nobody.
the people not same. Okay?
But you are in church.
Even her, if you want to steal it, she can do it. Even inside the church, you can steal if you want. Do you remember before wine? We put them in the table. Because a lot of people going there to ask donation. Kilos.
Wala pang, ano yun.
Yeah, but it's very. Maybe she didn't put it on her bag. Put it on the floor.
Yeah, this is his thinking.
So they found it, they picked it up. But at least they
Gusto
should be
niyo ba
honest.
na
I said to
ano,
everybody,
ano,
fishing.
Magkasama na sila ni Akira.
O pagtukot, doon niya lang nalaman wala na yung wallet niya.
May wala yung wallet ko, nagulat ako.
He called me also.
Sabi ko,
May wallet.
Naglalakad kami.
Tapos malayo na kayo nung bumalik kayo.
Bilis na sa bilihan pa kami. Yung mga gulay.
He
Tapos
come
wala
back
na
and say,
ang ang bilis.
But she should tell the priest.
Kaya huwag kayong kumpiyansa.
Sabi ko sa kanya, bumalik ka na sa simbahan, bilis. Sabi ko.
Ay, wala na eh. Basta ganun mga
Siya,
wallet.
sinundan ko, iwan natin bagnet, kaya ako na natuwa.
Kaya ani, meron pang mga itim dun.
I have to paper block there.
Mm.
Very nice food.
Eh,
But the black, but it doesn't mean they steal money from somebody else. It's not only black, there are other people that isn't it?
A lot of people there.
ay, hindi na ito gagamitin ha.
So if you
Taka.
cannot, see, you cannot accuse anybody.
Yeah.
Hindi na ako sana.
You good to accuse.
Yeah.
If you accuse someone, God accuse you also.
Because you didn't see. If you don't see, for example, they stole my jewelry in my house. I knew who took it, but I couldn't accuse them because I didn't see it. But I knew.
Yan sabi ko tayo. Ano?
Mamaya kita makalakad.
I cannot be honest, she did it.
Ay pa kayo.
Ako yung salad ang na-miss ko.
Ano yung yung ano?
Pag pumunta ko kasi dito kay Ate Ani, laging niluluto ng ganyan. Ay gumagawa. Yung timpla niya, yung asin, yung ano, tama lang. Hindi masyadong maalat.
Wala na ba? Wala na ba?
Butas.
You should put
Taob,
it-
taob, taob.
You didn't make too much. That's why.
Daxi. What have there is enough.
Wala na ba? Wala na. Meron pa kasi yung lang ginawa.
Meron naman.
Mhm.
Kaya lang wala na yung ano no, parang celery. Ang tawag doon?
Mayroon pa.
Ahin natin mo.
Hindi, meron pa na nagka-cake ako.
Ah.
Kira!
Eat more.
Oy, Jane! Oh,
Mamaya naman.
break, he said break.
Yeah, I don't want to throw it away. The bread. It was from yesterday.
It's too hard now.
Yeah, but I like it.
Maganda kayong salad na pear niya.
Oo. Eh pag pumupunta ko dito, ayan. Sabi niya, sa Pilipinas ay gumagawa din daw siya. Tapos pinito ko nga dun sa isa ko. Ako gumawa ako si
We have garden. Or have.
Yeah.
We have broccoli.
Lettuce,
Bilang.
broccoli.
But they are not seasonable like this. They grow.
They grow.
They're small.
It's their season
Cabbage.
this month because it's rainy.
I know, but it's small or big now.
It's already coming like
Doon
this.
sa alam nito, mozzarella nga nila.
Oh, that's nice.
And I have also onion.
Tapos yung hindi umukulbo yung tama na.
Onion leaves, yung leaves.
Oo.
Ah.
Pero kung yung kalahari
Spring
lang siguro
onion.
ang kinuha namin, siguro ko hindi ganito
Sakto
karami.
lang.
Akala ko naman, expect ko, mozzarella cheese ang nandito.
Okay lang.
Nasusunod naman.
Okay, enjoy.
Sigurado pag pwede nang harvest yung nasa garden.
Ano yung cabbage?
Pamimigay naman yan.
Cabbage?
Pag hinarvest mo yung broccoli, bigyan mo ako.
Yung broccoli noon na pinamigay ko
Ako di mo binigyan.
Akala ko may
Pili
Ano ba yung
lang ang...
pambenta? Hindi.
Hindi.
At
Ang palayan niya ay...
Ah.
Bi, gusto mo kahit ganito kadiliit? Oo, buhal niya. Gawa ko naman, te. May kamatis ako. Tapos yung may ano ko.
Nakita niyo yung pinapatago ko. Be, maliit yung ano. Maliit nga, sabi ko
Big garden in the side of her boss house. Good. Then she plant.
Pero nagpalalo pala yung palaya ko. Be.
She's not
Palaya naman
No.
kami.
She give away.
Alam mo ba yung papaya
Wala.
ko? Nag-ano rin, nasira yung dahon.
Matayo na nga ang palaya ko.
Yung sili ko, te, hindi namunga. O naman niya.
Pero yung talong
Matanda
ko,
ka
yun talaga
Nagdala ng... Ano yung pangalan nung parang pechay na sinasalan?
Ay, si...
Parang lettuce.
Lettuce.
Ah, lettuce ba yun?
Oo.
Hindi, may tawag pa doon yung matanda.
Ano?
May tawag pa siya doon. Dala niya ganun. Nyit! Yan niya talaga. Front talaga.
Kasi kanina, kami naka-front.
Ang front niya yung pagkain, no?
Okay. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the food.